Hello everyone, Small Farm 6710, and today we're doing Green Hill Farm Day 15 Season 7. So on the farm today we're basically getting everything ready, getting the grass ready for second cut, and getting the crops ready for the harvest, and a few odd jobs as well. So first off, on the road we have our County 1474 on the NC 2500. It's not always we put the County on the straight tanker, but for today, since the field was just short near the farm, we said we'd try out the County for a change rather than using the fast track. So yeah, it handles the tanker well, but it's a bit bouncy. But yeah, it's not obviously not meant for the big road work, but it handles the tanker well all the same. Here we have our JCB loader coming in from doing a bit of fencing in one of the fields. And then there's a Land Rover Defender 110 with a flatbed on the back. And then there's a Hino lorry as well. Over here in the reclaimed field, we still have to reclaim it, but yeah, we're going to be draining it. But here, the lads are just having a chat about what's going to happen to the field and what's the plans for it. The 956XL and the TW30 are parked up, and the fast track is going to a neighbouring farm to borrow a trailer off them for to move a bit of muck. And then here's a Fendt 818 going to the quarry to move a tanker of water. Over here on this side of the display, we have a farmer here with a 4TW50 and a Stratman rear discharge just on the road. And then we have one of our workers and PJ, they're just loading up the bulls to go to the factory. 7810 and Dive Williams. And not much else going on in PJ's yard, but the tractors are parked up. There's the 3140 parked up. And here in one of our tillage fields, we're just have the contractors in spraying off a bit of winter barley. And they have their 6210 ore. They usually use the 7930, but that's not a job. That's not a job of doing a bit of fertilizing. So yeah, they're using the 6210 ore and their John Deere sprayer. And then here the Quarry's A40 and JCB 16565. There's Carton. In the next episode, they should be tarmacking this road, so we're getting very near to getting ready for tarmac. But yeah, they're just clearing a big mould of hard rock to get through for the road, so that's why it's taking so long to get ready for the tarmac laying. Not much else in the gravel pit, hasn't been much orders, but they're just focusing on the road. So yeah, that's it for on the farm today. And yeah, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video of the Ford 6710 restoration slide. So there will be an in-depth video of it, and yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, have a good day. Bye for now.